Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Do you want to see how this generation of Tacoma looks without a bed? Well, let me show you. There is a great opportunity right here. Why am I filming it for you? How often do you see what is exactly underneath the bed? Here you can see all the details, right? Where is it mounted, right? You see the mount bolts are right here, so you can see there are two of them, right? Where is the evap canister, how looks top of the gas tank, and all these details. Some of you might be working on your own and wondering how everything is routed, right? What are the mounts? And this is, I believe, great opportunity to see that. Hanger for the spare tire, obviously, right? Incredible. And here is the side of the gas tank. So it was just a short video for you how it looks on this generation of Tacoma. Stay tuned, be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See ya.